What's up, Yo-Yo Squad? Welcome back to another Boom Beach Warships video. As you can see, I made the jump. I unlocked myself the 6 engine rooms and to be honest, not looking pretty. Not looking pretty at all. So, now I'm gonna try and see if I can do anything with the current tech tree, and if not, then I'm gonna go and wait a little bit and unlock myself the heavy choppers. Since I don't heavy choppers, I'm trying to be faster than those guys, and I'm running something with seekers, and that's the main reason why I have all those failed attacks. So let's just jump into some live attacks and see if we can do anything. Hopefully we can. Okay. Both of the shock launchers are on this side. Okay. Okay. Let's give it a shot, I guess. Let's go like this. Let's go 1, 2, this guy. Drop some critters over here. Flare those guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why I'm actually ordering out that engine room is because... Oh wow, okay. He is dead, that means we don't have a chance. Okay, I'm gonna need critters on both sides and that's gonna be just interesting. And I also don't have a shock. Wow, okay, this is already going downhill. This is already going pretty badly. Okay, shock over here. A lot of seekers is actually gonna die over the mines, and that's not good. Yep, we are gonna fizzle again, and most likely I'm gonna fizzle on both of these ends, which is not ideal. So let's just flare this guy and try to kill him. Maybe grab one more engine room and maybe hope for a fizzle on his side, but I think he's running the heavy choppers and rocket choppers, so I'm pretty sure he ain't gonna fizzle. Whatever, I guess. I already lost way too many of these battles, so one more is not gonna make any difference for me. So let's just hit the retreat and jump into the next attack. We couldn't do anything over there. Okay, especially since we lost Sparky early on. I guess there was a boom mine over there that killed my Sparky. Whatever, let's just jump into the next attack straight away. Q times not so terrible since I went to 6 engine rooms, but I guess I'm not in the tech position to make any more progress or something, but we will see. Maybe we can get lucky on some of those matchups. We will see. Either way, I just want to show you the reality of warships. It's not always as good as you hoped for, so today I guess is not the day for me. I will have to wait for 24 more hours until I can grab myself the heavy choppers, which is gonna be quite interesting since I'm gonna be quite away from. It will be quite interesting actually to push, if I can push at all, but we will see. I guess the heavy choppers will show us. Either way, I just want to do a couple of the live attacks over here and see what I can do, if I can do anything. I won't risk on dropping out of diamond. It's not worth it. I guess I'll just log into this account and get my chest, get out, and wait for the heavy choppers. It looks like those Q-towns are actually starting to really not sure what's happening with the Q-towns. Let's try to jump out and then jump straight back. I don't know. Maybe I should just pause the video and get back once I get the opponent or something like that. Come on already, I'm trying to make a video. Okay, finally. Higher rank than us, but let's see. Okay, this time we're gonna go like this. Maybe this time we can do a little bit better than the last time. Okay, flare up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear some of the mons for seekers. Okay, flare again. Go up. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what we can do. Shock. I'll try to do as many shocks as I possibly can, I guess. Okay, shock over here. Maybe I should clear some of the mons again, but I won't. So let's just drop another shock. Seekers should go on the left. Yeah, they are. Okay, let's shock over here. Let's do a critter swarm. Okay. Let's flare loss engineer. And let's drop some artilleries, I guess. We are gonna be at 250, 249. Okay. I will take the 249, but seems like this guy was actually really fast also. But let's see, Peppos. He's still ranked 22, and he did it in 250. Of course, he's gonna beat us by 1 second. Let's see what he actually did to beat us. Heavy choppers and seekers, I guess. Yeah, here they are, 4-4. I guess he's just sending them. Really they split like that? Wow. Okay, whatever, I guess. Okay, let's do one more attack before I wrap up the video. I don't want to make a short video, but let's hope the Q time is gonna be a little bit better. I really thought that I'm gonna win that match, but I guess it's not meant to be. Come on. Wow, this is really bad. Q times are starting to be horrible for some reason. Come on already, do something. Okay, here we are. And it's another 6. Okay, pretty much exactly the same. So let's do the same hit. 1, 2, 1. Flare up. I will drop 1 smoke over here. Okay, reflare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clear some of the mons, I guess. Okay, shock over here. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Shock over here. Clear these 2. Hopefully, nope. I don't have enough of those guys on the left hand side. That's not good at all. Let's try to shock the world, I guess, and hope for the best, maybe. Drop a couple of artilleries. We will have more artilleries, but I think they're gonna be more than enough. Yeah, they are. Do the critter swarm, and we're gonna end at 252. Okay, we are 3 seconds faster than the last attack. Let's see. Looks like this guy is also going pretty fast. Kuka 78. Let's see, 252. Is that gonna be enough? Yes, it is. 244, 243. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up the video for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Yoyo out. Peace.